Hello, my dear students and my dear friends. Welcome to the Sanjay's Knowledge World. Okay, today we will learn a very interesting chapter named as Solar System. What is that? Solar System. Here we will know number of things. Okay, in the next half an hour you will have all the information, right? And at the end I will ask few questions and you will answer in the comment box. Okay, and if you feel something you are learning more, so please share it and subscribe it. Okay, dear students and friends, our solar system, it is comes under where, in which galaxy? We know that is Milky Way galaxy. Which galaxy? Milky Way galaxy. Okay, and Milky Way galaxy, actually there are four different types of galaxies are there. Elliptical is there, spherical is there, okay, spiral is there, right? Elliptical, spiral, spherical, right? Irregular. These are the three types of galaxies are there, and our galaxy, which is mainly called as, which is famously called as, popularly called as Akash Ganga. What is that? Akash Ganga. So our solar system, it is located in which galaxy? Named as Akash Ganga, right? Written now. Likhilo ki nahi? What is that? Milky Way. Popularly it is called as Akash Ganga. And the thing is that what is the shape of it? The shape of it is like this. The shape of Akash Ganga is, what is that? Spiral. Spiral. What is that? Spiral. Okay. So the Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. So the Milky Way galaxy is a spiral galaxy. Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Got it? So far what we understood, our solar system, which is a part of Milky Way galaxy, and that Milky Way galaxy, the shape of it is spiral. What is that? Shape is it? Spiral, right? This is the shape of our Milky Way galaxy. In fact, like Milky Way galaxy, there are large number of galaxies are there. Listen here, there are large number of galaxies are there in the entire universe. And the nearest galaxy apart from Milky Way is the Andromeda. What is that? Andromeda. Got it now? बुझलो तो काना कि आमर सोलर सिस्टम टा केन गैलेक्सी अंडर आसुचे मिल्की वे और मिल्की वे टा हेंता बहुत सारा गैलेक्सी चोचे यूनिवर्स रे और नियरेस्ट गैलेक्सी अपार्ट फ्रॉम मिल्की वे इज द व्हाट इज दैट एंड्रोमेडा. व्हाट इज दैट? एंड्रोमेडा. रिटन की नहीं लिख लो तो apart from Milky Way, the other galaxy is the Andromeda. Okay, and what is the shape of Milky Way galaxy? Spiral. Got it? Next, actually in the galaxy there are large number of stars are there, and now around 15% of stars, around 15% of stars which have its, which have own solar system, which have own solar system, or there are 15% of stars where the various number of planets are revolved around those stars, and our solar system is one of them. Our solar system is one of them, right? Written now, this much we understood. Next, what is the name of our, actually what do you mean by solar system? As we are going to learn about the solar system, first of all, let me tell you meaning of solar system. Okay, how the solar system can be defined? Solar system can be defined, or our solar system can be defined as a, which includes a star. What it includes? A star, eight major planet, and countless smaller bodies, and asteroids, okay, comets, meteorites, and etc. etc. So our solar system, it comprises a star, that is sun, 8 major planets, then countless smaller bodies, that further includes dwarf planets, okay, and asteroids, comets, meteorites, and etc. Got it na? So what do you mean by solar system? Our solar system, that is comprises a star, 8 major planet, and countless smaller bodies, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, etc. Got it na? And we will discuss one by one. Star, that is sun, we will discuss in detail. Then we will discuss the 8 major planets. Then we will also discuss about the dwarf planets. We will also discuss about the asteroids, comets, etc. And either in this class or in the next class, we will discuss about the space missions, various space missions, where Sunita Williams, we will discuss about the Rakesh Sharma, we will discuss about the Neil Armstrong, and many more, the various space missions, right? So far what we understood, अब तो कान बुझला कि यूनिवर्स भितर बहुत सारा गैलेक्सीज अच्छे, आउ गैलेक्सीज भितर बहुत सारा गैलेक्सीज, आमर गैलेक्सी रो नाम मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी, आउ मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी रो आमर जे नेबरिंग गैलेक्सी रो ना काना एंड्रोमेडा, आउ आमर मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी रो शेप केंदा थिला स्पाइरल थिला, आउ मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी रे बहुत सारा स्टार अछन, इवन अराउंड 15% ऑफ स्टार बा जदि 100 टा रो 15 टा स्टार पाखा पाके जहार की निजर planet सबु अच्छे, and our solar system is one of them, where our star is sun. What is that? Our star is sun. Got it na? Our star is sun. Okay, our star is sun. Apart from sun, like as I told, number of stars are there, and apart from sun, another star which is nearest to us, that is named as Proxima Centauri. What is that? Proxima Centauri. Note it. The nearest star apart from sun ke chhadi dele, the nearest star is which one? That is Proxima Centauri. Okay, and our sun, it's a star. It's a star. In fact, this is the largest heavenly bodies in our solar system. It is a star. This is the largest heavenly body in our solar system. It is located in the center of our solar system. Okay, and it is a hot ball of gases. What is it? It is a hot ball of gases mainly made up of hydrogen and helium, right? And it generates huge amount of light and heat, right? And a process is there. The name of the process where the sun generate its heat and light and magnetic field named as nuclear fusion. What is that? Nuclear fusion. Got it na? Please note it, dear students. Okay, actually there are large number of stars are there, and the nearest star to our solar system or to us, that is the sun. Okay, and it is the only star in our solar system. It is the only star in our solar system. Got it ki nahi? And it is located at the center of our solar system. Clear? So note it, it is located in the center of our solar system. And it is located in the center of our solar system. Please note it first. Right? And as I told, sun is a star, and star means what? A star means a heavenly body which have own heat and light. Put a heavenly body jahar nijor heat au light hoche. So suns have its own heat and light, and here temperature is very high. In fact, the sun's temperature at the core of its सन रो कोर बा पूरा भितरे भितरे ता टेंपरेचर केते अराउंड 15 मिलियन डिग्री सेल्सियस. हाउ मच? 15 million degree Celsius. Okay, so the sun's temperature is 15. The sun's core temperature is 15 million degree Celsius. तार माने 1.5 कोटी 1.5 crore डिग्री पेटला गड़ बा समर सीजन रे कहां से अराउंड 40 डिग्री 50 डिग्री है कि नहीं सेतरा तोती जाछा किंतु सन्स रो कोर केते 1.5 कोटी डिग्री सेल्सियस माने जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ मच इट इज and because of this heat na it brings and it keeps all the 8 planets revolve around it. तो बुझला sun is the largest heavenly body in our solar system which is located at the center and it generates heat and light through the process of nuclear fusion. Its core temperature is 15 million degree Celsius. Fine, got it now? And it is a huge ball of hot ball of gases made up of hydrogen and what? Helium. Hydrogen and helium, right? It is a okay. Got it now? Right fast here. Written. Can process the nuclear fusion. Right first, because sun is very important na. When once you know the sun, then other planet it will make you easy. Okay, and in fact the sun it was formed 4.5 billion years ago. 4.5 billion years ago. 4.5 billion years ago. Okay. In which galaxy? Milky Way galaxy, right? Got it? And next, in terms of atom count, mainly which one that the hydrogen is in large number. What is that? Hydrogen. Why? Because the magnetic field that keeps all the 8 planets revolving around. We know that na, is our solar system comprises sun and 8 planet and dwarf planet. In fact, the dwarf planet and sun, 8 planets, they revolve around the sun because of that magnetic field, because of its gravity. Got it? Bujla? Lekhla? Okay. Next. And what is the sun? Kete baras budha hala na? 4.5 billion years old. Kete? 4.5 billion years old. Hala to? Right ki nahi? Written. जदि सन्स ग्रेविटी नहीं थीता कहां था बिकॉज ऑफ सन्स ग्रेविटी ना 8 प्लैनेट्स आर रिवॉल्व माने अर्थ भी तार साइड रे काना रिवॉल्व होउचे यदि सन्स रो ग्रेविटी नहीं थीता काना था ऑल द 8 प्लैनेट एंड द्वार प्लैनेट्स दे विल फॉल डाउन कि नहीं कैनाडा देखो जो लिसन ऑल ऑफ देम व्हाट दे विल फॉल डाउन पड़ी जीबा कि नहीं आरंता ऊपर नहीं भस्ममान हता राइट ओके Next, which one we will read? So, the very important properties of sun is what? The very important properties of sun is magnetic field. What is that? Magnetic field. Very important property is magnetic field. Okay. Note it. जने बुझी ना हवा जस्ट आस्क मी सो लिख लो ना ओके नेक्स्ट in fact one very important thing our solar system that is located in Orion spore of Milky Way. What is that? Orion spore of Milky Way galaxy. A question may be asked where the solar system is located in the Milky Way, that is in Orion spore. Alright, next. So what we understood so far? We understood about the universe, and within universe number of galaxies is there. Our galaxy is Milky Way, nearest galaxy is Andromeda, right? Within Milky Way, large number of stars are there, and 15% of star which have its own planet, and our solar system is one of them, where the star is Sun. Apart from Sun, other stars are named as Proxima Centauri, the nearest one. Clear? Got it now? And written everything. And we have also learned about which one? Our Sun. Because of its magnetic field, because of its gravity, all the 8 planets are revolved around it. Okay, and our solar system, what it comprises? A star, that is Sun, then 8 planets, then dwarf planet, then asteroids, meteorites, comets, etc. Okay, got it? Next one. Next, let's discuss the planet. Next discuss the, what is that? Planet. Okay. Actually, all the heavenly bodies which are found over the sky are called as celestial bodies, and those celestial bodies which have own heat and light are called as star, and those celestial bodies which do not have own heat and light are called as planet. But okay, so planet are the celestial bodies which they don't have own heat and light, but they are getting light and heat from the star. Okay, and in that way, in fact, the definitions of planet is there. Before 2006, we were called as, or historically there were 9 planets were there. I'm कहूतिला 2006 पूर्व 9 planet. But at present, there are 8 major planets are there. Planet has defined. At the end, I will tell actually what the various characteristics of planet, when I will tell about the Pluto, the dwarf planet. But for the timing, let remain. One of the very important features of planet is that it must have an orbit. What is that? It must have a orbit. Orbit means what? Please note. Orbit means the pathway. Listen, orbit means the pathway, the directions. Okay, where all the planet they rotate. This is the sun. Okay, and here this is the pathway, the direction where it revolves. Right. This is the Mercury, and that rotate around sun. So these directions are called as orbit. So orbit means what? The pathway or the directions where all the planets they revolve around our star, that is sun. So 8 planets they have a particular pathway, particular directions where all the 8 planets they revolve around the sun. Got it? Bujha padla? Okay. So one of the very important features of a planet that must have an orbit. Another features of a planet that they must have a round in shape. Tar kenta shape itwar kotha? Round in shape. Okay. Clear? And they will clear its surrounding. Next, let's discuss all the planets. How many planets I told? Tell. 8. 8 na? And the 8 planets that are categorized into 2 types. What is that? 2 types. One is the inner planet, another one is the outer planet. What is that? One is the inner planet, another one is the outer planet. Inner planet, another one is the outer planet. Okay, got it? And how many planets? 8 na? What are these? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, and beyond that it is called as Kuiper belt, where the dwarf planets are there. Okay, what is that? Kuiper belt. So the first 4 planets, that is Mercury, okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called as inner planet. What is that? Inner planet. They are also called as a rocky planet. What is that? Rocky planet. Why so? Because they are made up of rocky substances, various minerals. Mountains are found. Himalaya mountain, okay, Western Ghat, right? Eastern Ghat, Aravalli mountains, all these are found in our planet. So they are made up of rocky, okay, but they are mainly made up of what? Gaseous and ice. That is the regions of Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter and Saturn, they are called as gaseous planets, and Uranus and Neptune are called as icy giants. Giants माने क्या ना बहुत बड़ की नहीं. Okay, so in fact the largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Second largest is Saturn. Third largest is Uranus. Fourth largest is Neptune. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth one is the Earth. Sixth one is your Venus. Mars is the seventh, and the Mercury is the eighth in terms of size. So they are okay. So inner planet made up of rock, outer planet made up of both gas and ice. Written. Next, the inner planet, they are also called as terrestrial planet. What is that? Terrestrial planet. They are called as the gaseous planet. Okay. And the inner planet's temperature, it is more. Write it. The temperature of inner planet is more. But the temperature of inner planet is more. What is that? More. Temperature of inner planet is more. But here the temperature of outer planet is less. Written. The density, in fact the density of inner planet is more. Here the density of outer planet is less. Here an important thing I will tell you. Okay, in terms of temperature, that is the region, the hottest planet in our solar system. What is that? Mars. Mars. Venus. What is that? Venus. So the hottest planet, listen, the hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Although the closest one is the Mercury. And the title of hottest planet doesn't goes to Mercury. Because Mercury, they have very thin atmosphere or very less atmosphere. But because of dense atmosphere of Venus, Venus is the hottest planet. हमें कहना जानना इनर प्लैनेट मनकर टेम्परेचर टी अधिका है आउ हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट केनटा वेनस है आउ सबनु कोल्डेस्ट केनटा हवा सबनु दूर जेंटा আছে नेपच्यून व्हाट इज दैट नेपच्यून आउ डेंसिटी सबनु हाईएस्ट केनटा अर्थ व्हाट इज दैट अर्थ आउ सबनु कम काटा सैटर्न सो द हाईएस्ट डेंसिटी is of which one? Earth, and the lowest is the Saturn. लिखला तो बुझला तो काना inner are rocky or terrestrial, they are gaseous or ice giants. Here the density and temperature is more, but they have less. तो है चक्रा में जाला highest और lowest बुझी गला एबे आर भी गुटे जानमा. In fact, the inner planet either they have very few moon or few natural satellite, but the outer planet they have highest moon or highest natural satellite. They have highest moon or highest natural satellite. Okay, like Mercury, they don't have any natural satellite. Venus, they don't have any natural satellite. But Earth has one of the natural satellite. Earth has one of the natural satellite or not? What is that? Moon. What is that? Moon. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Mars has also two natural satellites that is named as Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos. So what I said, in inner planet they have either no moon or no natural satellite like Mercury and Venus, but they have few moon like the Earth has one, Mars has another two. Clear? Outer planet. There are large number of natural satellites are there. Jupiter have 75 number of moons or natural satellite. Saturn, the highest number of natural satellite the Saturn have, that is 82. That is 82. So the highest number of natural satellite moon is Saturn. Okay. What is that? Saturn and Saturn. And Uranus and Neptune, they have around more than 10. Right? So in this way we understood. In fact, another also difference is there. The inner planet, they don't have any rings. They don't have any ring. They don't have no rings. Okay. But the outer planet, they have rings. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune all have rings. But the rings of Saturn, that is quite spectacular. So don't be get confused, my dear students, that Saturn has only ring. No. All the outer planets have ring, but the Saturn's ring is quite spectacular. That's why बहुत सुंदर लगता है. Clear? Next one. So we understood that the difference between inner and outer planet. Okay. Another thing I am going to tell now. Very, very important. Na? I told rotations and revolutions. What is that? Rotation and revolutions. Here I wanted to add direction. Way. Rotations means you know that it's a movement. Movement around its own axis. Where? Around its own axis. And revolutions means some others heavenly bodies. Like this is the sun. Okay. And here let Mercury. ये जेतले निजर चारितका बुलुचे ताहाके काना कहा होचे रोटेशन कहा जाउचे. There are various kind of movements are there, but rotations is a movement which move on its own axis, right? And revolutions means let someone else. So here all the 8 planets, they revolve around sun. For why? Why so? Magnetic field, gravity, nuclear fusion process. I already told now. Okay. And all the planet, the fastest planet who rotated very fast. Who rotated very fast? Do you know that? Jupiter. So if the question will be there, name the planet which rotate at a very low, very less time or least time. That is Jupiter. 10 hours. What is that? 10 hours. Saturn, it is 10.7 hours. It means that outer planet, they also rotates very slow. Rotate. No, rotate not very slow. Rotate very fast on its own axis. Fast. Okay. So the Jupiter, it rotates at a very slowly on its own axis. Not slowly, sir. Jupiter rotates very fast, so it completes one rotation on its own axis. It took 10 hours. Saturn took 10.7 hours. And highest time which take? Venus. Which take? Venus. Little bit got confused, na? Let me tell once again here. So far here you understood about the meaning of rotations and revolution. Rotations and revolutions. सबुठारु कम टाइम लागुचे कहाके जुपिटर के 10 आवर लागुचे अराउंड 10 आवर राइट तार माने से अधिका स्पीड रे निजर पाखे पाखे बुली दोचे के जुपिटर आ सबनु अधिका कहाके टाइम लागुचे वेनस के 243 days ओके सो हियर द क्वेश्चन आसवा रोटेशन कहार कंप्लीट रोटेशन सबनु अधिका टाइम नउचे कहला वेनस कहा के कम टाइम नउचे बोले जुपिटर गुड वी अंडरस्टूड नेक्स्ट वन गुड वी अंडरस्टूड नेक्स्ट वन बट इन द केस ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन in the case of revolution, like let this is the sun. Mercury has the smallest orbit. it orbit Mercury सबनु कम Venus तापरे तो Mercury रो कहाँ से Mercury as it is the closest, this is the Mercury, it is closest to sun, so it take least time on its revolution. Rotation टा vary करसी time period complete rotation highest हला Venus रो अधिका time लागसी निजर चारित का बुलवाले, Jupiter के सबनु कम time लागसी 10 hour, but जेतेला हम revolutions देखमा सबनु कम टाइम कहा के लगबा मर्क्यूरी की, बिकॉज तार ऑर्बिट बा तार डायरेक्शन कम डिस्टेंस है. इनफैक्ट मर्क्यूरी इज द फास्टेस्ट प्लैनेट. इट इट रिवॉल्व एट अ वेरी फास्टर रेट 47 किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट. इट रोटेट्स एट वेरी, सो बिकॉज ऑफ मर्क्यूरी इज द फास्टेस्ट एंड क्लोजेस्ट टू सन, it revolves at a very less time, that is 88 days. How many days? 88 days. Okay, we will discuss one by one planet in detail, right? Okay, Mercury सबनु कम आउ तापर Venus तापर अधिक टाइम लगबा. Venus के कंप्लीट करबा लागि 225 डेज लागसी. ओके, तार गुटे रिवोल्यूशंस केते 225 दिन. तार माने Venus is the only planet, Venus is the only planet where rotation, Venus is the only planet which rotation is more than the revolution, which more than the revolutions. Got it? So in the process of rotations and revolutions, what we understood, highest time कहाँ के लागू छे Venus के rotate करवा लगी नियर चारित के, कम टाइम कहाँ के लागू छे जुपिटर. तार पर हमें देखना रोटेशन टा भेरी करू जे प्लैनेट मानकर, किंतु रिवोल्यूशन टा ऑर्बिट जेहेतु दूरे दूरे अच्छे सब बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवा. 88 डेज मर्क्यूरी के, वेनस के 225, अर्थ के केते 365 डेज एंड 6 आवर. दैट वन वी अंडरस्टूड. आर तापर फिर मार्स के फिर बढ़ा, फिर जुपिटर के बढ़ा, तापर सर केते ईयर माने हवा. Got it now? So what we understood so far between the inner and outer planet we understood. Okay, and with the passage of time we will understood which one is the brightest planet, which one is called as morning star, evening star, right? We will also learn which one is called as red planet, which one is called as blue planet. You know that blue planet, I know, but red planet also you know. Which one? Mars na. Okay, why so? Because of presence of iron oxide at its surface. Because of presence of iron oxide at its surface. Okay, and we will also learn which one is a yellow star, which one is the farthest planet. Okay, so this will be our journey. Stay tuned. In the next video we will tell about the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, in each planet in detail. Noted few questions. Which planet? Name the planet. Okay. Note it. Write the questions. First questions. Our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy, but my question is where it is located. What is that place? Okay. Second questions. Okay, name the nearest star to us. Name the nearest star to us. Okay, us माने इन्हें कैपिटल लिखी दिले माने यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स नहीं भावी दो. आता. Okay, next one. Okay. Name the only planet. Name the only planet which complete rotation period is more than more than its complete revolutions. Its complete revolutions. Hala. Name the only planet in our solar system which completes rotation period is more than its complete revolution. And how much? And how much? Not it. And how much? Okay. बुझला लगला तो रिलैक्स आउ थोरीटा पढ़बो रिवाइज करबो तार पर हम नेक्स्ट क्लास रे गुटे गुटे प्लैनेट और डिटेल देखमा रोटेशन पीरियड केते रिवोल्यूशन पीरियड केते ता रिंग अच्छे का ता यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स काना हला ता डायरेक्शन काना जनता की डायरेक्शन रिलेटेड गुटे बढ़िया जिनिस टे कहूचे ऑल द प्लैनेट दे रोटेट फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. Not all, 6 major planets they rotate from west to east, but there are only 2 planets they rotate from east to west, and those are Venus and Uranus. There are a number of unique thing is there. So Venus and Uranus they rotate from east to west. It means that the sun rises in the west direction in the Venus and Uranus. ଆଉ ଏନ୍ତାଟା କେତେ ସାରା ବହୁତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଜାନମା ବୁଝିଲ ତ ଓକେ हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम थैंक यू ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स ओके